Okay. Once again, good morning to everyone. Today we are going to start grammar section with nouns. We are going to start grammar. So, I want your grammar notebook. I want your grammar notebook. Open your grammar notebook. In the index, write down today's date. On a new page, today's date and day. Are you all listening? Grammar, I said, Sanvi, grammar. English grammar notebook, write down today's date and day. Everybody, open your grammar notebook. Have you opened? Written down today's date and day. Why I cannot see Vedant Diani, Kavan Bakshi? Switch on your cameras. Your notebook will look like this. Please see, your notebook will look like this.
Ma'am, I can't see your presentation.
Then log off and log in again. Has everyone done?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, done.
Today's date. Right now, before this, you had your Hindi reading, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So Arna Goyal was present in that. Can anybody tell me?
Yes, ma'am.
Arna Goyal was there. Okay.
Yes. Ma'am, please show the index one time.
Please show the index. Arya, I am showing the index.
No, ma'am, it is that.
Okay. Just wait. Sorry. Which number is this? Today's number? Eighth is our today's number, right? In the index number, 8th is our today's number. Am I right?
Yes.
Thank you. Unless I get your response, I cannot move forward. No, so at least show me your thumbs up if you have understood what I'm saying. Okay, 8. Below that, you also write down 9 and write down spelling test 3 with tomorrow's date. After you finish writing index till 8 number, you write down 9 number and then write down tomorrow's date, spelling test 3. So our tomorrow's index also will be ready. Our tomorrow's index will be spelling test 3, tomorrow's date. Sanvi, are you getting, darling? Dhani, Khahish, Jazzy, Shreyan, Devansh, I hope you all are clear with this. Okay, okay, thank you. Done? Okay, okay, still one more minute I will give you. Finish it faster.
Ma'am, we have to write in grammar.
Yes, beta, grammar.
Ma'am, in grammar.
Yes, beta, in grammar notebook.
Ma'am, done. Index.
Done index? Okay. Now last 30 seconds.
Okay. So, ma'am, literature means that of marigold and grammar
Yes.
means of that grammar textbook.
Yes, very good. Everyday textbook we have no for grammar. We will be writing.
30 seconds over.
Sorry.
30 seconds is over.
I'm not getting what are you asking, beta.
30 seconds is over.
Oh, 30 seconds are over. 30 seconds is over. 30 seconds are over. Yes, you are right. 30 seconds are over. But few of my friends are still writing. Darling, please finish fast. I hope you have given number 9 to number 9 with tomorrow's date and write down spelling dictation 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. That's very good. So now here, I shall stop my presentation. First of all, okay.
Repeat again.
Tell me what is noun? What is noun? Vedant, I want the answer from you.
Noun is a name.
Is your camera on? Yes, now I can see you. Noun is a naming word. Yes.
Naming word.
Sanvi.
Noun means that name, place, thing, animal.
Wow, superb. Aradhya.
Noun are words that name people, animal, place, and things. They
Arey
are
wah.
called naming
Very
words.
good. Very good, Aradhya. Very nice. Okay. So on a new page of our notebook. On a new page of our notebook.
Ma'am, date.
Today's date.
What is date?
Today, 26/4. Why in the index also you have not written today's date?
Ma'am, do you know today is World Dance Day?
Now, on a new page,
I cannot see your presentation.
I'm showing, beta. Still, I have not started. See, now it will be there. Anhad, Arna, are you all okay with this? Fahish?
Yes, ma'am.
So in your notebook with pencil, not with pen. With pencil, you all will draw this.
Ma'am, have you copied this? Because the side of the black in the presentation.
Person, animal, place and thing. 4 columns you have to draw. Can you see these 4 columns properly? Can you see these 4 columns properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Person, animal, place, things. Person, animal, place, thing, and on the top today's date, day. On the top today's date, day, and the heading nouns. Devansh, are you clear? Drawing with pencil and scale or not? Are you drawing, Devansh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. With today's date and day and with the heading nouns.
I'm done.
Good.
Ma'am, now I'm starting to write the names.
Okay. What names you have started writing?
No, you have written.
Okay, okay. Yes, 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 yes.
Ma'am, shall I write the names?
No, 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 no. No, no. You are not supposed to write down any names over there.
You are.
I will, yes, yes, because it is our school exercise. I mean, textbook exercise.
Okay. Mama, my turn.
Has everybody done now? Only raise your hands in the
Yes, I have done.
column. Those who have not done. Those who are still doing, raise your hand. Sanvi still doing. Aryasha still doing. Oh God, Shreyan, please.
Ma'am, I'm not still doing.
No, then only still doing will raise the hand.
Okay, I'm not.
Kakkar. Only still doing. If you have completed, don't raise the hand. So that I can stop the presentation. What I mean to say is that. Now, is there anybody? Shall I stop the presentation?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now here you are. Arna, you will read what is given.
What is a noun? A word of person, place, thing, animal.
Arna,
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have read. Let's play. Next 10 slides will have a word and you have to show a thumbs up if it is a noun and a thumbs down if it is not. Okay. Thumbs up or thumbs down? Bedroom. Thumbs down. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. We can't hear you. No, ma'am. Ma'am, your presentation has gone. Because ma'am has stopped presentation and she has mute the mic. Because the mic is not working off, ma'am. Mute. Ma'am?
hello. Now am I audible?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So now the pictures and I mean nouns will be shown to you. I will take your name, only that child will answer. Okay. Now it is Vivansh Gupta's turn. Okay, but first of all, I shall start my presentation. Our first one word was bedroom, and Vedant said it is not a noun. Bedroom is a noun. Now Vivansh Gupta, do you think bedroom is a noun? Yes or no?
Ma'am, it's not a noun.
It's not a noun. Okay. Here is our next. That is Shreyan will say. Shreyan,
Yes.
it is a noun.
No.
Then say no. What yes, what no. Say the word it is noun or not.
It is not a noun.
Then what it is? Anhat Taur. If it is not a noun, then what it is? Anhat.
Ma'am, can I say?
No, Jazzy will say. In that case, Jazzy will say if Anhat doesn't. Jazzy,
Ma'am,
please say.
yes.
Yes, say.
It is an action word.
It is an action word. Correct. Anhat, I was expecting this answer from you. Yes, it is an action word because to eat is an
Ma'am, you have stopped.
Ma'am, you are stuck again.
Vedan, stop it.
Swati, ma'am.
Don't worry.
Vedant ma'am is coming.
She will leave the meeting at the time. No. I told you.
No. Ma'am, you lost the internet
yes. I'm there. But see that when I will when show that single child will not answer. Instead, you all will answer. You will all will either show me the thumbs up or thumbs down. All together, either you will show me thumbs up or thumbs down. All of you together, okay? I shall start again. Can you?
Ma'am, you joined from and you are presenting from phone.
No? Laptop.
Yes.
Can you see this?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes. See now, next 10 slides will have a word and you have to show a thumbs up if it is a noun and thumbs down if it is not. Bedroom, thumbs up or thumbs down?
You are showing in the mobile.
No, laptop. It is bedroom is a name of a place, don't you think? Bedroom is a name of a place, don't you think? So it's a noun. Bedroom is a name of a place. So it's a noun. How can you thumbs down? Okay. Yes. 8 we have already discussed. Now speak. Come on, tell me. What is a speak? Everyone. Thumbs down. Very good. Nice.
Speak is action.
Correct. Okay. Our next is speaker. Come on, I cannot see. Speaker. Okay. Param will tell me why speaker is a noun. Param will tell me why speaker is a noun.
It is a thing. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Speaker is a thing. Speaker is a person who speaks. So it is a name of a person. Okay, Param? Everyone?
Yes.
Huh, Vivansh?
Speaker. Oh,
Okay, you mean that speaker. Okay, then it is a thing. Okay, Param. Correct. Param, yes. Speaker is that speaker which we hold and then we speak. Yes. So speaker is a thing. In that case also it is a noun. And the speaker who is speaking. Right now I am a speaker because I am speaking. In that case also it is a noun.
Speaker is a thing also.
Yes, Aradhya, correct. That's what I'm telling. That speaker is a thing also. Speaker is a person also. So speaker is in any case speaker is a noun. Yes. Now our next. Thumb. Your thumb. No, you just show me the. Thumb is a thing. Thumb is the name of this thing. Body part. Thumb is the name of this thing. It is a common noun. Thumb is a noun. Okay. Sunflower. I cannot see everyone's thumbs. Yes, Arna. Yes. All of you have raised your thumb. You are correct. Thumb is a noun. Sunflower is a noun.
Sunflower is a proper noun.
Is a common noun because there are many sunflowers. N number of sunflowers. Flower also is a common noun. Sunflower also is a common noun. In fruit, suppose fruit is also a common noun. Apple, mango, it is also a common noun. Okay? Yes. Our next is planting. Planting a tree, planting a plant. Jazzy, think and answer.
Acting word.
Yes, Param, correct. Yes, Vivan. Correct it is. It's an action word. Planting. See children, whenever ing or ed, whenever it is ed, ing, it is an action word. We are doing something. It is not a noun. Followed what I said? It is not a noun. It is an action word because planting is doing something. Planting is not a name of a thing. Planting is not a name of a person. Kavan, I hope you are getting it. Ayan Mania? Yes, very good. Very nice. Now our next is a textbook. Textbook. Oh wow. So fast. Immediately everybody's thumbs up.
Ma'am,
Yes,
because
good.
This is the thing that we
Yes.
Good, Sanvi. Very good. Now, our next is chef. See, friends, CHEF doesn't mean chef, it is chef. Chef. Now, Ridhima will tell me. Ridhima, you will explain me when everybody has put their thumbs up. Ridhima will tell me that why it is a noun. Ridhima will tell me why it is a noun.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Jyoti already had raised her hand. Yes, Ridhima.
Yes, ma'am. Because chef is a person.
Ayan Mania, who is a chef? She said person, but what does he do? What does he do?
Who cook?
Who cooks? Yes, who cooks? Okay, Jazzy, doll. Yes, Jazzy.
Ma'am, it is a common noun.
It is a common noun, okay? Okay, now next. Chef is the one who cooks. So cooking is an?
Ma'am,
Arna,
action
tell me the
word.
answer.
Ma'am,
Yes,
it's
correct.
action word. Because
Word, action word.
ing.
Yes, correct. Very good. All my friends, you are expert in this, huh? Very nice. Now here are types of nouns. Since when you were talking about this is a common noun, this is a proper noun. Now let us see one more picture to make it clear which is a common noun and what is called a proper noun. Okay. Parv Koshia, you will read the first dialogue, first balloon, and Vraj Khakkar, you will read the second balloon. Per Koshi first balloon, Braj Thakkar second balloon.
Hi.
Start per.
I am a girl.
I am a girl.
Why per? This much you cannot read. You need the help of somebody.
No.
Take time. No problem. Per, take time, beta. No problem at all. No problem. I will wait for you. But I want you to read. GIRL, girl.
I am a common noun.
Okay. Next. Braj.
Hi. I am a Nina. I am a proper noun.
Noun. Yes. Why Nina is a proper noun?
Nina
Per
is a
Kushla.
girl.
Unless you pay attention in the class, you will not understand, beta. Now Anhad will read the next. Yes, Aradhya. And yes, Param. Correct. Anhad, come back to your seat, Anhad. The next slide, Anhad will read. It is Anhad and Aradhya. Anhad and Aradhya. First is Anhad, second balloon, second cloud will be read by Aradhya.
Hi, I am a common
Aradhya, I said Anhad will read the first balloon. Now wait, Aradhya, you read the first one. And Anhad, you read the second cloud. Aradhya, start. Now Aradhya, start. You have already read first one. Repeat it. Repeat it.
Hi, I am a river. I am a common noun.
Good. Very good. This is the way to read. First class. Anhad.
Hi, I am Ganga. I am a proper noun.
Perfect. I am Ganga. I am a proper noun. Now Vedant and Vedansh. Vedant and Vedansh. Biyani, Mr. Biyani first and Vedansh Gupta will be second cloud.
Hi, I am a cat. I am a common noun.
Correct. I am a chatterbox. I am a proper noun.
Hi.
Yes, Vivansh.
Hi, I am a catty. I am a proper noun.
Yes, I am Catty. I am a proper noun. Actually, by mistake, before proper noun, it is a printed over there. It should be hi, I am Catty. I am a proper noun. Very good. Now our next turn will be of Khwahish and Paki. Khwahish and Paki. First cloud Khwahish and second Paki.
Hi, I am a mobile. I am a common noun.
Very good. Mobile is a common noun. Paki.
Yes. Hi, I am a Samsung mobile. I am a proper noun.
I am Samsung Mobile. I am a proper noun because Samsung is a name of a company. So it is a proper noun. Okay. Now here we have Ayan Mania. Ayan Mania. Sanvi Maheshwari. Ayan and Sanvi next two.
Hi,
Ayan and Sanvi next two. Oi. That is already read about before. Now here types of noun. Ayan will read common noun.
common noun. General name. Does not begin with a capital letter.
Begin means what, Ayan? Begin means what? Paki?
Then start.
Yes, Ayan, correct. So, common noun never begins with a capital letter. Common is always a small. Sanvi, proper noun.
Proper noun. special name always begins with a capital letter.
Super. So if you are writing a girl, it will be common. But if you are writing, no capital letter will be used. But if you are writing Sanvi, Ayan, then it will be started with capital letter. Good. Now see, let us play. That will be done in grammar notebook. Let us play will be done in grammar notebook. So now everyone open your grammar notebook. Everyone open your grammar notebook.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Open.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Who's calling me, beta?
Ma'am, Arya.
Arya. Yes, Arya.
Ma'am, what we have to do in this? That person, animal, place, and thing.
I think I have asked you right now, no, to open the notebook.
Yes, ma'am.
Just now, before few seconds, I just told you to open the notebook, right? Now
Ma'am,
read what is given.
Ma'am, the time is over. It is 10:06.
See in the presentation. What you can read?
Look at
Tirth Parakiya.
the
Tirth
Look
Parakiya.
at the pictures and put them in the correct
Arya, wait.
column.
Arya, wait. Tirth Parakiya. Please read whatever is.
Look at the picture and beauty. Put them
Put them.
in the connect
Correct.
correct COLUMN column.
Column. Okay. Now in the notebook, we have already done the columns. Person, animal, place, thing. Have we already done the columns? Mrigank?
Yes.
Okay. Now here is your next slide. Look at the picture and put them in the correct column. These are the pictures given to you. 12 pictures are given to you. And now you have to put these 12 pictures in the correct column in the notebook. I hope Arya Shah is clear now. Parva Koshia, Daivik Jindal. Yes. Now it will be Daivik's turn after 3 minutes to answer. After 3 minutes, not now. For this 12 nouns, I am giving you 3 minutes to complete it.
Ma'am, we are 2-3 minutes late because we have break now.
Ayyo, I forgot. I'm so sorry. Our time is already up. No. This we will do tomorrow. So sorry. Tomorrow. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. So sorry.
Bye, ma'am.